Ever clicked a phone number in a document and it instantly opened the dialer? Pretty cool, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to add a hyperlink to any Word, text, or even a mobile number directly in Microsoft Word Mobile in just a few taps. First, open your document in Word Mobile. Next, select the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. In my case, I'm going to use a mobile number, but you can use any word, sentence, email address, or phone number. Once the text is selected, tap the Insert tab from the menu. Now scroll down until you find the Link option, then tap on it. After that, select Insert Link. You'll see an address box appear on the screen. This is where you enter the link you want the text to open. For a website, simply paste the URL. If you're linking a phone number, you can enter the appropriate phone link format. When you're done, tap Insert. And that's it. Your selected text now contains a clickable hyperlink. Anyone who opens the document can simply tap the linked text and instantly access the destination you've assigned. Pretty easy, right? In less than a minute, you can make your Word documents look more professional and much more interactive. And here's the best part. Once you know this trick, you'll never have to paste long URLs all over your documents again. Try it yourself and see how much cleaner your documents look.